What up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So I am currently getting ready for a work meeting. I didn't want to do eyeshadow just because I don't think it looks professional when you have like a lot of makeup on and you're going to a meeting. But I've been wanting to do a smoky eye, yeah. So I didn't want to do eyeshadow, and then I'm going with the most fucking dramatic look. I'm gonna just go in with my primer, and you guys know I use the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, anti-aging potion. You're just gonna grab a little bit. I like to put it in the back of my hand. So you're just gonna grab a little bit and start just applying it on your eyes. And if my eyebrows are uneven, I'll go back and fix them. I was just trying to yeah, I just wanted to just fucking draw them in real quick before I did this. I started not doing my face routine because you guys kind of got the get-go of like what I do with my face. You're just gonna apply this all over the eyelid like so. It is like a translucent type color. It doesn't really have color to it. Kind of just blends in with your skin. I'm gonna go in with the base color first. So my base color, I'm gonna take just this one. Light brown here, right there, and I'm gonna just apply it to my crease like so. Darker brown all the way at the end over here. Then I'm going to just flip the brush. This is a double-sided brush from Eco Tools. So that's the side I use to apply the corner, and I'm going to just blend it out with this one. It's more of a fluffy, short, bristled brush. It just helps you get right in there. Bitch, that ain't blending. That is not blending at all. Yeah, I'm not feeling how this is blending. I think because I applied the base coat first. I'm not feeling how it's blending. So I'm going to go back with a different color afterwards. I'm applying this one right there by James Charles. So as you can see, I'm gonna go a bit higher. My line's not gonna be straight. I'm aware. Trying to make it straight. Okay, and there's this big old black one right here.
Yep, my mom's going to use it. Mom, I want to hold the top right here. Mom, do you want me to hold the top, yes or no?
Doesn't matter. That looks like shit. These colors are hella pigmented, guys, like I said before, so just make sure you guys are being aware of that. So yeah, I'm applying my Fenty Beauty concealer now, and I've been using it for a minute now. I stopped using the MAC one. Then I'm gonna go in with the bronzer. So okay, and you guys will probably see the video before this one's posted. I told you guys that I absolutely love this, and it's true, I love this. Okay, I love this, but I noticed after the first couple weeks it's not blending how it was. And I know it's not my brushes, because I thought, okay, maybe my brush is dirty, I need to wash them. So I washed them all, and it's leaving me like patches here. So I don't know. Usually I put hella on, and recently I've been putting a little bit. So I'm gonna just go in and put hella on like I usually do. And right here I do it really light though, just cause. And then just going on my nose. Okay. And then the brush I use to blend this out is from Lux, and you guys know Amazon got the plug on these. Like this is because I want to push it back to my hairline. Homegirl got a fucked up hairline. Alright guys, so I'm back with my lashes and my mascara. By the way, this mascara I haven't showed you guys is Super Fan Mascara. It's the small one. They have little holiday gift sets, or just gift sets at Sephora. And it comes with the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara, and it comes with the eyeliner too. But I've been using this just because, I don't know, I've just been using it. Somebody gifted it to me. My sister-in-law actually gifted it to me, and I've just been using it because, I mean, I just like it. I like how it works. So I'm gonna apply this before applying my lashes, because you don't want to see your lashes all full of polvo under your fake lashes. Quick, they're the Ardell 203 lashes, the same ones I've been using. These are just my favorite. At first I was like, damn, they're hella long, So you guys, I used to wear long ass fucking lashes, and everybody used to be like, oh my god, your lashes are so long, it's very dramatic, why do you wear them so long? And I just stopped. I started wearing like wispies and stuff, like just regular ones, and I kind of like the wispies a lot too, I'm not gonna lie. But I found these at Sally's. They were like full lashes, and add some mascara on my bottom lashes. I'm not gonna add any shadow to my inner lash corner, just because. This is a completed look. Make sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. And share, please share. Like, just share to everybody, like, hey, you know. So yeah, thank you for watching. Peace out. See you guys later.